guessing, I'm saving seeds and planting plants. Come see what I'm up to. These are my snake plants. I got this one for my birthday, and once she grew about this big, she started having babies. These babies are connected to the mother snake plant by like a tube. We cut the tube and planted them in these pots. She's had 2 babies right now, but I bet she'll have more soon. I want them to produce. I want them to grow big like her, and then produce more babies that I can plant around the house. This is a lemon tree. It doesn't look so much like a lemon tree because it's really small. In the beginning, this little lemon tree started in a can. As it was trying to grow, it got root bound, so it stopped getting bigger. Then, when we got this pot, we put it in, and we had to water it extra because it had a hard time with the roots. Eventually, it started to get bigger and bigger. Right now, it's starting to grow bark at the bottom. And that's the lemon tree. These are the cantaloupe seeds. They started out in a cantaloupe. We saved the seeds and we rinsed them off in a screen. And then we set them out to dry. And once they dried, we planted them. They take a week or so to start sprouting, and now we have some little sprouts. We have 2 babies here, one trying to come up there, another here. So one is still trying to get out of the dirt. This one just has a little knob like that. This one is another double. Oh. When I have spare time, this is one of the things I really like to do. It's fun planting seeds, and watering them is one of my duties in the morning. Any egg container will work. You put dirt in it, and then you can plant seeds. So we like saving egg containers to plant babies in, as you can see. We can grow pineapples here because there's no winter. If you want to grow pineapples in any place that snows, you want to grow them inside with pots. You have to take the tops off. And to start, we usually like to get a can and put water in them and put the top in. And eventually, the bottoms will grow roots. You plant the top in here, and it will grow really big. And right now, this is just a baby one. But pineapples, it'll take a couple of years for them to produce. So you have to be patient with these plants. When we're not planting, we're saving the seeds from the food we eat. These are some cantaloupe seeds, just like those babies. These ones we dried and we rinsed them off, then we dried them, and now they're ready to be planted. We have some cantaloupe here. We have some watermelon here. And these are pumpkin seeds, but we didn't dry these off enough. So now they've been sticking to the bottom, and their mold, if they don't get dried properly. This is satin. It's also known as Jamaican hibiscus. These are flowers. They're purple, and you can make tea out of them. They're very healthy. And if you can see, they're small seeds, but they grow into some bigger plants. It's good to save seeds, because if you're running out of food and it's hard if it's hard to get food because you're far away, it's good to save seeds that you have because then you can plant them, and that could be some of your food source. Or if they run out of something in the store, like to say cantaloupe or pumpkin, it's good to have seeds to plant, and then you can make your own. I invite you to go collect some seeds and plant them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to support me on my dance journey on Patreon. Bye.